In the light of the morning, with a brand new start, you're the hope of tomorrow, with an open heart, with a will to improve, and a dream in sight. You're the spirit of progress, shining bright, getting better every day, in the light that you show, in the strength of your journey, where the dreams grow. With every challenge faced, and every fear you slay, getting better every day, in every way. In the calm of the evening, with the lessons learned, you're the fire of ambition, with a passion that burns, with a heart that's resilient, and a mind so strong. You're the hope of the future, where you belong.